Why does it look like this? I don't think it should look like this. What do I think about the logo? I think it looks great actually. I love how it looks. Oops, let me set the microphone right. Okay. Am I? Wait a second. I'm not sure about this. Wait. There we go. So this should look like this, but in here, if I set it to 100, it looks different. It looks much bigger. Can I set this differently here? What's this? Why does it look so different? Let me check here. General screen scaling. Oop. Oh, that's why. I see. Maybe I should set it like this and then set it like this. Yeah, now it makes more sense. There we go. Now it makes more sense. Yes, I don't know why this was a little bit more confusing. I like this. Okay, screen language. Okay. That's good. Let's open cover 1. Yeah, definitely needs a bit more adjustments. Wait a second. Open. Should I just edit it like this? Hue brightness, contrast, like this. Alright, I just need to adjust the brightness a little bit more bright. There we go. I think that looks better. Yep, that looks better. Oh, what? Now it looks bad. Wait a second, I'm just going to modify the screenshot itself. Oh, what was that? Itch.io cover. There, so we have this thing here, and let's add a filter, color balance from colors. What can I do with this? everything. Should I make this like this? No. Maybe like that. No. Threshold. Yikes. Levels, adjustment. HSL maybe? No. Saturation. Hue. Let's change. No. And this. Intensity. Touch. Highlights. Midtones. Shadows. Midtones a little bit more. Highlights more highlighted. Midtones. Yikes. Am I doing it right? I wonder. Exposure. So maybe I should change this. Okay. Let's compare this. Oh, much better. Yep. Much better. I like it a lot more. Touch. Let's add a new one. New filter. Levels. Let's change this. No. That's actually really nice. Make it, oh, maybe not so much. Maybe like this. Let's make off. No. Okay, that's good. Yeah, that's okay. So now let's do. How much was it? 630, 500. 630, 500. So let's just copy this here. Perfect. There we go. So now let's save it as PNG. Let's update this cover 3 without transparency. Let's make it a bit more quality based. So I think I'm done with this, but let's just open it. Let's open this one. Wow. Oh, but look at that. That's like too big. Let's change the size. Scale image to new size. 635. This one. Okay, this. Let's save as. Cover 3. Replace it. Wait. There. So let's open it. Yeah, much better, I think. Warrior Sloop. Well, the thing is that this logo is too dark, actually. Can I make it like this? Warrior Sloop. Yeah, something like that. So it pops out a bit more. Maybe I can group it, quick group, and then I add filter. I can make it like this. Warrior Sloop. This is too much. This is good enough. Let's try again. Save as HU cover 3. Yes. Okay. Let's close this. Now I cancel. Or yes. This is 2. This is 1 for some reason. Open. There we go. So this is gonna look nice in a small area. So how can I create modify local layers sprite. Create new tile map, new layer. Convert to tile mode. Interesting properties. Modes. What? User data. What's this? Oh, look at this. What is this? Preset. Oh. Presets, sort, ingredients, options, palette, brush, ink, all this, pixel perfect, ink, what's this, Text tool, rectangle, tutorial. 9. Didn't we have like a panel to slices? This one. Shift C, slice tool. What's this? Oh, right. Slice. Where is the slice tool? I don't see it. Slice tool. Here. Or should it be like convert to tile map? Name, tile set, 16 by 16. Base index, okay. So how do I use this? Flatten image, empty and empty. Beep, beep, beep. Oh, look at that. Remap tiles. Okay, so these are the tiles. I want to, what's this? Stack, show tile set. What's this? So this is the presets. Properties again. Tile set. Advanced. Name. What I want to do is to come here. Let's do third party. We have extras. This 07 assets. So maybe I can add the border, you know, the nice border. This border maybe? Textures, blocks. Maybe I could add these ones. But these are too big. Right. What happens if I copy this there and then I do like this? No. Can I delete layer, convert to properties, reduce this index, name, tile set, okay, I want to paste there. What? Didn't I just copy this? There. please. No, I can't. Fine. New tile map. Okay, you're a layer now. There. Nice. Okay, that's too small. So this. What's this? This is going to be 32 by 32. Enter. So now I convert you to tile map. Grid width 32 by 32. Okay, let's paint. Very nice. Oh, very horrible. Can I paint you with this? Amazing. There. Doesn't fit. Doesn't fit. Doesn't fit. So I'm going to delete you. I'm going to convert you to a layer. There, I'm going to delete you. So there I go. So let's see, what if I grab you here? Let's take you from there. Let's paste you there. Let's do a 64 by 64. Let's just grab you there. Let's do something like this. It doesn't make much sense. Yikes. Wait. What if I convert you to a tile map? Let's do a 64 by 64. And let's paint you. There. 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 Oh, you don't fit. You don't fit very well. What can I do with this? Well, I could move you this to a little bit more to the center, and so on and so forth. Okay, so let's move you from here to O. Wait a second. Okay, I'm gonna do what I said I was going to do. I'm gonna grab you there, gonna copy, gonna paste you, gonna invert you horizontally, gonna there so nobody notices. And I'm going to copy this and let's break everything. Look at this, doesn't look quite good. Doesn't look good, but doesn't fit right. It doesn't fit, man. What else can I do with this? Maybe I can copy this. So I copy this. I make you a 64 by 64. I put you there. What do I think? What do I think? I'm not so sure about that. Maybe this one looks better. There. Oh, wait. This needs to be 64 by 64. 64 by 64. Okay, there, let's take you there. So you are 64. Can I not set this as, what's B? Okay, 64. 48. Let's do a 48. 48 by 2. 96. 96. Let's create. Oops. Wait a second. Undo. Undo. Let's create a new layer. Let's paste. Let's paste again. Let's do a flip horizontal. And there we go. What else can I do with that? What's this thing? Oh, I wish we had more like this. Something more interesting. Textures, stone base, sheet. Okay, so we have all of that, all of this, we have that. This is nice, maybe. I think I can. It's like I can mix a few of these guys. Maybe I can mix you. I can mix it, you know, I can mix this on and off like that. 64 by 64. Maybe I can mix this and the other, this and the other, and so on. So I mix this and I mix this 64 by 64, and then I flip it, maybe like this. There. Maybe I can do this. There. Oh, this is wrong. And a little bit more or less. Or it's 1 pixel less. Like this. Then I copy and paste it. And paste it here, maybe. Does this look right? What's this? Opacity 100. What? Oh, I didn't close. Lasso, come on, lasso. I just want a lasso. What? Come on, make a lasso. Make a lasso, please. Oh, that's why. There we go. I'm going to kill myself. There we go. Let's choose this one. horizontal. There we go. Oops. Let's just delete the thing. Wait. Maybe I can just flip. Like this. And with this, I just move it. Like that. Does it make sense? Let's just delete this. So let's grab this guy. Perfect. Let's move it upwards. Okay. Then let's move it here. Let's flip it. I could move it like that. Very easily. And this one too, I could move it if I want to. There we go. Okay, let's see this. Let's see. Maybe I can just move this to the sides. Much better, I think. There we go. Something like this. So we have these two layers. Maybe I could just reduce the brightness. minus 20. Right. Oops. Minus 20. Minus 20. Apply. And now that I have those guys there, maybe I could like mix those guys, mix these guys here. Let's do 64 by 64. Let's flip it. Horizontal, vertical. Let's put you there. Right there. So now I copy and paste this. Horizontal. Like this. There. There. Let's just save this as ace. Something like that. Or something different. Oh, I just copy this one. Maybe you can just copy that one. Or I inverse this one. Okay, just inverse maybe. Let's try. There, let's try. Yeah, there. 64 and 64. So let's place this there. Let's adjust minus 20, apply. Okay, whoa, that's like too much. Yeah, looks, I'm not sure. These guys to the side look a bit too much. Okay, I don't like these guys to the sides. I don't like these side guys. Sixty-four by 64. Let's just place it there. Okay, I don't like this thing here. Okay. Let's see. What else can I do with this? Maybe I can grab this. It doesn't fit. There, fits perfectly. Now you can just paint it. Okay, I can paint it. There. Okay, I'm gonna do something amazing, which is what? Oh no, never mind. It wasn't too amazing, wasn't it? They're just gonna paint this. Okay, it looks more seamless. Oops, one. Again. Yikes. Okay, I'm gonna have to do it like this. I'm gonna copy this, I'm gonna do this just like that. Okay. There we go. Oops. There. Okay. Oh. Good enough for me. There. Copy, paste. Horizontal. There, no, up. Good. Okay. Okay. What else can I do? What else can I do? Check this out. I'm gonna go crazy. Brush out. No. Okay, let's try to do something interesting. New layer. No, sir. Let's put you there. No. Okay, let's try this. Did I say smudge? Whoa, whoa, whoa. Okay. Oh, that's jungle. Jungle. Brightness, zero brightness, and then opacity. Okay, and then let's move you there, and there. Okay. Be right back. So this is not to use the slices in, right? Shift C. Nothing happens. Shift C, nothing happens. 1, 3, 1, 4. What's the latest? Okay, never mind. So I could use it like this. Or I could create a new one. Let me see. Oh, that's the slice. What? I didn't see it before. Wait. Anyway. There we go. So let's try a new thing. So this one is 64 by 64. What? No, 46, no, 64. Ah, that's too big. That's too big. Maybe like this, smaller. Should be half of this. There. Anyways, let's try 32 by 32 again. So if I do it like this, it fits nicely. Should I just do this over and over again? So now I do this, now I do that. Wait. Oh, I pasted in the wrong spot. No. This is vase. Again, 32 by 30. Whoa, why? 32. There. Okay. Let's just do this again. Okay, and again. Oh. So that looks not sure about that. What's better, this to the side, but if it's too small you can't see it. That's the problem. So let's try something different. I'm gonna grab a little piece . From here, there. Let's see. And now I'm gonna grab you. So you are 20 and 64. Okay. Okay, let's try to cut this. Okay, again, let's try to cut this from there. Okay. That looks better, I like it. Okay, again. Okay, again. Yeah, it looks better. There we go. Looking good. Let's transport you to the other side. There we go. We have this. What do you think? Okay, let's try to grab this from the bottom. Which one should I grab? So it's this one. Let's grab you from here. Wait. Okay, so okay, perfect, I suppose. Let's take you from there. So you are 64 and you are 12. There we go. Let's Should I do it this way? Okay, let's try that. Let's do this brightness -20. Okay. I can barely notice it, but I think it's enough. Oops, copy and paste. What's going? Oh, right, I forgot. Okay, let's just copy. Let's copy this again. Yeah, I can barely notice that change, but it's okay. Should I add something to this side? Let me see. It's like there's too many details there. Too many details. So I don't really like that, but maybe I could use this other one right there. Right there. So this is 64 and this is 20. Okay, let's try to cut this here. Okay, let's try to cut this there. Let's cut it there. Let's cut it there. No, I don't like this. What can you? Okay, let's try that. -20. Yeah, looks good. Yeah, it looks okay. Let me just delete this. Oops. Let's try that. There we go. Let's just copy this once again to the other side. What? What's this? Did I? Oh my god. Did I forget to What is that thing? Oh, don't just say that to me, bro. Okay, I made mistake. I didn't realize, but I made mistake. Then let's just copy that there. Easy fix. There, copy, paste. Whoop, whoop. There we go. So that's okay. I barely notice anything there. So I guess I'm not going to add anything up here. These guys to the side. I think they should be darker, right? They should be a little bit darker. Or not. Should they? Okay, I'm gonna merge them. Merge down. Let's adjust brightness -20. Yikes. -24. Super bright or super dark? No, like this. -9. More contrast, less contrast. No, contrast is fine actually. -9. Okay, that's okay. Yikes. Let's see this. Let's just get rid of that. Okay. Yeah, that's okay. Warriors loop. Save as PNG. So this is cover 3, this is cover 4. That's the latest one. So let's compare this and this. Which one is better? This or this? Yep, definitely this one was the first one, second one, third one, fourth one. Definitely the best is the fourth one. Okay, good. Let's close this, let's close that. So we had this here. Let's leave this open. Wait a second. Now let's close this. Oh, it's time. It's time. So what I need to do is I already have the cover. Where is this? There. Create cover. Done. The description. Okay, I had a description somewhere. Short description of the game. Let's read. Construct a living world from cards. Customize your heroes with strategic tech and vanquish the dark overlord in an epic card-driven adventure. Build an adventure map using cards. Your heroes to battle hordes of enemies and defeat the evil boss. That's very good. Okay. An autobattler where you program the behavior, skills and attacks. Let's just change this. The skills, the skills, the attacks. Using a deck of cards. A deck of cards. Who's creating your actions? Battles. So dictate your various actions. Attacks. Card-driven combat. Card-driven combat control in this autobattler. Battle plan with a deck. Match it in automatically. That's too much. Define your combat sequence with cards in this innovative autobattle game. That's nice. Autobattler. Customized cards. There. Design your arsenal. Okay, that's good. Okay, it's in. How is the name of my game? It's Warriors. In Warriors Loop. Customized cards. So let's add customize your cards. And your hero sequence of attacks and the map for your hero to explore in this auto battler spare in loop here. This 3D auto battler inspired loop here. Okay, that makes sense. Let me read some games. Itch.io. Let's update the cover, the place. There we go. So I need to add screenshots too. Let's write that. Oh, that's like too far away. Description. Oh, there we go. Add screenshots. Nice. Where's loop? It's like it looks darker actually. Why does it look darker? It doesn't look the same. Is it the same? It's the same. No, it's not the same. This actually is more colorful than this one, but it looks different there. So check that out. Oh, can we change how it looks? PNG. Check that out. It's not the same colors. This is more saturated. Anyway, let's check the games. Wow, introduction, gameplay, controls. Let's do. Gameplay, controls. Let's do short description. Introduction. Okay. What about this one? About, warning, note, garbage takeout day, story about gameplay, 5 minutes, 5 story key features. Should I add key features? Gameplay time, duration, session, duration, something like that. Let's see. Description, features. Should I add features? Introduction, features, lot more. Date, special thanks, voicing, puppet combo, download. So it's basically the same type of game. Jones. Okay, a horror game. With Game Boy remake. What's included? Story, controls, hints, update, bug fix. Beep, 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 beep. Killer Cat. Midnight's Pass. A date with death. Hound. Killer Chat. Oh, I thought it says Killer Cat. So this is an adventure game. Plot, gameplay, key features. I should say key features, right? Instead of features. Key features, introduction, short, online session, visual novel. Everything is visual novel here. Wait, popular, should I say new and popular? This is an action game, an adventure, silence unbearable. Wow, look at that. So learn, narrative story, free combat, resource management, controls. Wow, that's very expensive. Platformer. Join the Discord. What is this game? Instant instructions. Should I add socials? Socials. Links. Don't forget about that. Adventure. Okay. Welcome, prepare, large variety. Okay, very short actually. Biology. Survival. Controls, collectibles, characters. Soul roulette. Oh, roulette deck builder. Controls. Okay, that's all. Underwheels. Racing. Platformer. Strategy. Okay. Navigate. Morse. Additional features. Strategy. Atom Idol. This game is under development. Okay. Very short actually. Can disclose it. Adventure. Astrokeep Invasion 3D. Wow. Invade. Reverse horror. Solve puzzles. Inco Pachinko. Simulation, but it's a horror game. Survival horror, but it says adventure here. Descent, explore and survive. Okay. So let's go back to the description. There. Let's go from this one to the best. Design your arsenal. Craft weapons with unique effects that change how you play and interact with the game world. That's not really accurate. Build your fighter's behavior by equipping cards in this strategic autobattler. Set your hero's battle plan with a deck. Watch it unfold automatically. Master the art of card-driven combat control in this autobattler. How should I say? Real time card-driven combat in this autobattler. How should I say? No, card-driven, because this is already how do they say? Real time. Use cards to detect your warrior's attacks in these strategic autobattlers. In strategic autobattles. Craft your hero battle tactics with a deck of cards in this autobattler. Build the entire map of your heroes to explore. In Warriors Loop, we take the engaging strategy-driven gameplay of Loop Hero, another layer of depth with weapons crafting system. Customize your cards should I say, your weapons and your hero sequence of attacks. And the map for your hero to explore in this 3D autobattler inspired in Loop Hero. Like Loop Hero but with customized cards. Define your combat sequence with cards in this auto battle. So this is really descriptive, I think. An auto battle where you program the attacks of your characters using a deck of cards. Let's see. Customize the attacks of your character, of your hero, using a deck of cards. Using cards. Using cards. Using cards. Construct a living world from cards. Customize your heroes with strategic tech. And vanquish the Dark Overlord in an epic card-driven adventure. Build an adventure map using cards. Equip your heroes to battle hordes of enemies and defeat the evil boss. Okay, so let's add a new one. Build the map using cards. Battle hordes of enemies. Customize your hero weapons. That's it. As in cards, keep your hero battle and defeat the evil boss. Construct a living world from cards. That's too much. Well, you can build resources, customize your heroes with strategic tech. Your hero for now. And vanquish the Dark Overlord. This is really nice. From cards. Customize your hero with strategic techs. This is nice. Your hero with the strategic techs. Customize. Okay, I think that's enough. It's like I'm so tired now. Okay, let's try to... What else can I do before I stop for the day? Short description. Auto battler. Deck builder. Auto battler. Inspired in Loop Hero. 3D deck builder. Deck builder 3D autobattler inspired in loop here. So deck builder 3D autobattler inspired in loop here. That's the short description, and I think that's the most important thing. Key features: customize weapons here by using cards. Different effects. Construct buildings and generate maps to explore. With your deck with cards, draw and defeat the enemies. Some final boss by enough with points by using and acquiring enough build points. Then I should just there. Whoop. There, great. That's what I'm doing right now. There, key features. Summon the final boss by acquiring enough build points. Level up your hero challenge final boss. That's not a feature. That's not a key feature. It's like a tutorial. So let's say 30 minutes. Controls, mouse and key. Camera controls, quest, Q, E, control, alt. Should I say just rotate buildings, control alt, there, and screenshots. Let's make this like this. Short description, introduction. Should I add an introduction? Okay, enough. So I have this. This is when I finished today. Today was a day filled with work. So that's why I couldn't do much. But next week I'm gonna finish the page. I'm gonna try to upload the web version of the demo. And that will be it. And then it will be time to get your feedback. And that's it. Okay, thank you for watching. See you